Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope all of you are doing well. It's me Abdul Hannan. So in today's video we are discuss create snippets, how we can use snippets inside conversation and how we can insert the snippet inside the automation workflows. Okay, so let's start the video without wasting any time. So first of all you have to navigate to the marketing and then click to the snippets. Now you have two options to create the folder, like you have multiple appointment snippets is basically like a pre-built template, SMS template. Okay, so you have to create the folder if you want to add all the relevant snippets in one folder, and you have to create new snippet. Click here and then you have two options, text snippet and the email snippet. Click on the text snippet first and then you can see this screen. You have to enter your name, and this is the preview section of how your snippet looks like on the user or the lead mobile. This is snippets body. You can add emojis and custom values inside the SMS, like hi first name. On the first name the system auto collect the first name from the custom values, and you can attach multiple document and the file link. You can also attach any appointment booking link or the URL on which the user can go. And this is a text snippet. Phone number, you have to test the snippet is working well or not. So now we have to create the example snippet to understand how this works. First of all, go to the GPT and I have created this snippet yeah, this is the booking appointment snippet. Just copy the name and then enter the name book appointments and then copy and click here. Okay, so this is how it's look like. Hi first name, you can easily book a time that works best for you using the link below. Inside the appointment link custom value, you should add your appointment booking page link. If you want to learn how to create the custom value and custom field, I have also created the video on this topic. This is also on my YouTube channel. I have also add the video inside the description. You just go and watch the video how to create, then you can easily understand the custom value and the custom field and how to create once and use anywhere. If you want to insert any custom value, click here and then you can insert like appointment link, attribution, calendar, contact message, each and everything you can do from here. And this is for the emojis. You can insert the emojis. Give me a moment. Okay, so this is how you can insert the image. In multiple option you can select and go with the images. You can select the document. If you want to add the document in the SMS, you can add the link, or that you can test the snippet. Okay, so this is how it's look like and works. Just save this and then okay, so let's see how we can use this snippet inside the automation and inside the SMS action inside the automation. So for that you have to go to the automation, and then just for the testing purpose and understanding how you can insert the snippet inside the automation, go to any folder or open any automation for just the understanding purpose. Okay, so this is the automation builder. Click here to add the action, and then we have option to send SMS, and inside send SMS you can see we have option to select the template, and you have to select like book appointment HTML snippets. Now you can see you don't need to add a single line of word. You just have to create the multiple snippets, like the appointment book snippets, like the follow-up snippet, like the confirmation snippets or reminder snippets. Just create the snippet once and add in the workflows and multi times. Okay, so now the snippet is added and the content is correct. Hi, contact first name, you can easily book the appointment. Exactly the same, the appointment link you should add inside the custom value. Go to the watch the video on how to create custom field and custom value, then you can understand about this custom value, appointment link and the contact first name. You can add any test phone number to test the snippets, and any file through the URL, or add any attachment. So yeah, that's it for this video. This is all about the snippet, and you can also access the 50 free SMS template for you to just copy paste inside your system, and then you can use inside your workflows. So this is the snippets 50 ready to use SMS template for the GoHighLevel user. The welcome as message, the instant lead reply, missed call, text like appointment booking. So these are those snippets that is mostly used inside the GoHighLevel. Everyone can use. So I am add this drive link inside the description. You just click and download this PDF and use the snippet inside your CRM. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you like the video, subscribe the channel, and till then, Allah Hafiz.